Do you want to try the door, Bella? The door? Go give her a kiss. Go give her a kiss, Sandy. Okay, go give her a kiss. Good, good, good. Can't we be friends? Go ahead, give her a kiss. Go ahead, give her a kiss. Oh, Sandy, oh, she didn't like you. Bella, that wasn't nice. Oh, you're a good girl. Good Sandy, it's okay. It's okay, Bella. She's your friend. She wants to kiss you. I know that was mean.